Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We're gonna go some more drawings. I'm gonna go over how to draw an alien, and a very simple one. I'm gonna draw a simple one, and then I'm gonna draw maybe a more complicated one, and I'll, another video. But for now, I'm gonna draw a really simplistic one you can do with a marker. Anyone can do it. So let's get going. So we're gonna draw a very typical kind of shape of the head. Think of something like a balloon and try to steady your hand enough to do that. I messed up a little bit over here, but it'll do. It's really simplistic. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw almond eyes right here, and they're going to be at an angled axis, right? The other side will be the same as I can get it, at least. And then holes for the nasal cavity. Simplistic mouth. Really simplistic mouth. I'm going to draw a straight line down for that pencil neck that an alien would have. This kind of typical style of alien. And so another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in some highlights here. And I'm also going to do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm going to try to figure out what that highlight would look like opposite. And just fill it in. And I might leave that extra highlight over there on that side. Same thing goes on this side. If you guys, I'd like you guys to suggest more subjects for videos. What do you want to see? And I am going to make them happen. So just let me know what you want, and I'm gonna try to really push this channel really hard on this time. I'm gonna add a little more shape to this side as well. And one last thing I'm gonna do is I might add a cheekbone over here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase the thickness of the contour of the outside. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simplistic. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really easy. That alien symbol is very famous. Like I said, let me know what else you want to see, and I'm going to make it happen. And I'll talk to you guys soon in the next video. So share the video and hit that like button if you found it easy. So talk to you guys later.